welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about ordering of numbers. Ascending order. What is ascending order? Arrangement of the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is known as increasing order or ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number. If you see the example here, I have taken the few numbers. So before arranging in the ascending order, first compare the numbers. First you have to look at the digit in the hundreds place. If you see the first number 546, in the hundreds place we have 5. In the second number we have 2. In the third number we have 7. In the fourth number we have 1. In the fifth number we have 3. So in this, which is the smallest digit? 1 is the smallest digit. So before arranging the numbers in the ascending order, first you have to look at the digit in the hundreds place. So here 1 is the smallest digit. So the number which is smallest is 156. So 156 we should write first. Now put a small cross. Now we should compare the other 4 numbers. If you compare the other 4 numbers, again see the digit in the hundreds place. If you see the digits in the hundreds place, we have 5, 2, 7 and 3. In this 2 is the smallest. So 207. So after 156, 273 is the smallest. Now put a cross on 273. Now the remaining 3 numbers are left. So if you compare remaining 3 numbers, in this, when you look at the hundreds place, 3 is the smallest. So the other smallest number is 394. So now 394 is also completed. Now we are left with the 2 numbers. If you compare these 2 numbers, in these 2, 5 is the smallest. So 546 is the smallest. So now we are left with only one number, that is 725. So in this way you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. First smallest is 156, then 273, then 394, then 546, then last, which is the greatest, is 721. In this way you will arrange the ascending order from the smallest number to the greatest number. Now let us see one more examples. If you see the numbers taken here, so before writing in the ascending order, first we have to look at the 100 place. In the 100 place, what are the digits we have here? We have 2, and here also we have 2, and here also we have 2. So in all the numbers we have the same digit. Then you have to compare the tens place. So in the tens place, look at the digit. In the tens place, what you have here? Here you have 3, here you have 1, and here you have 4, and here you have 5, and here you have 6. So now compare the digits in the tens place. If you compare, which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So the first number you have to write is 219. If the hundreds place have the same digit, you have to compare the tens place digit. So now 219 is completed. Next you have to compare other 4 numbers. If you compare the other 4 numbers, If you look at the tens place, we have 3 here, we have 4, we have 5 and we have 6. In this, which is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So 236 is the next smallest number. Now 236 is also completed. Now remaining 3 numbers are left. If you compare remaining 3 numbers, we have 4 in the tens place, 5 here and 6 here. So which is the smallest? 4. So 248 is the next smallest number. Now put a cross on this. Now just you have to compare the other 2 numbers. If you compare the other 2 numbers, we have 5 here in the tens place and 6 here in the tens place. So which is smaller? 5. So the next number is 253. Now the last number we are left with is 261. So in this way we have arranged. First is 219, 236, 248, 253, 261. Descending order. Arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as decreasing or descending order. In descending order, we arrange the numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. For example, if you see here example, I have taken a few 3-digit numbers. So before arranging in the descending order or decreasing order, first look at the digit in the hundreds place. If you look at the numbers here, we have 5 here, 5 here in this number. We have 5 in the hundreds place, 9, 7, 4 and 2. So which is the biggest or greatest number? 9. So 946 we have to write first. Then put a cross on this. Now we have to compare remaining 4 numbers. If you compare remaining 4 numbers, we have here 5, 7, 4 and 2. So which is the greatest or biggest number in this? 7. So 726 you have to write next. So now 726 is completed. Next we have 3 numbers to compare. If you compare these 3 numbers, we have 5 in the hundreds place, 4 in the hundreds place and 2 in the hundreds place. So which is the biggest one? 5. So 564 you have to write next. Now next you have to compare next 2 numbers. If you compare next 2, we have 4 and we have 2. So which one is biggest or greatest number? 4. So 439 you have to write. Now the last one remaining is 213. So in this way, in the descending order, we arrange the numbers from the greatest to smallest. So the greatest number is 945, then 726, 564, 439, 213 is the smallest number. Now let us see one more example. If you see the numbers here, first see the digit in the hundreds place. Here we have 6, 7, 1, 8, 5. So in this, which is the greatest digit? Which one? 8. So 874 you have to write first. Now this is done. Now compare the other 4 numbers. When you compare other 4 numbers, see the digit in the hundreds place. Here we have 6, 7, 1, 5. Which is the greatest one? 7. So 753 is the next number. Next you have to compare remaining 3 numbers. When you compare remaining 3, what are the digits you have in the hundreds place? 6, 1 and 5. So which is the greatest one? 6. 628 you have to write next. Now you have to compare remaining 2 numbers. In these 2 numbers you have 1 in the hundreds place and 5. So which is the greatest? 5. So 546 you will write next. Now the last remaining is 136. So the greatest number is 874 and the smallest is 136. So in decreasing order we arrange the numbers from the greatest to smallest.
Please comment, like, share and subscribe to this channel.